The last two forms on this form list are scheduling and early withdrawal. These are, again, primarily for the evaluation staff and not for interventionists, although they're welcome to look at the scheduling form if they wish. For every client, if you click on the scheduling link, you'll see a grid of dates. These windows are based on the enrollment date, which is entered on the participant information form. If that enrollment date hasn't been entered, you'll see that these dates are blank, and there will be a warning at the top indicating that the enrollment date hasn't been entered yet on the participant information form. So once that enrollment date has been entered, you will see all of these windows. So this will tell you the target date for each of the follow-up surveys, the evaluation questionnaires, as well as for the chart reviews. It will indicate when the window opens, the earliest date that you should schedule somebody to come in for those follow-ups or to start the chart review, and the window end, which is only applicable for the visits, because the chart reviews, because they're retrospective, you're going to be looking backwards in time at that information, so that probably won't change. But for each of the evaluation questionnaire visit windows, we do have a start and an end. It may be that it is hard to find a participant. It may be hard to schedule them to come in. So if you have a client who's hard to reach and they come in and you want to grab them for a follow-up survey, even though it's outside of the window, the system will let you do that. So you can enter a scheduled date here that is beyond the window. The system will warn you that it's outside the window, but you will be able to save it, and you will be able to collect that information in REDCap. If once you've completed the evaluation questionnaire in REDCap, we do ask that you come back to the scheduling form and let us know whether the visit was complete or not. If it's complete, then you just select complete here, and then the reports that we generate will automatically show that that visit is complete. The reports get their information from the scheduling form and not from REDCap, so we encourage you to get into the habit of always coming back to the scheduling form and updating this information. One of the reasons we do that, pull the information from here rather than from REDCap, is because if a visit is not complete, we want to know a reason. So, it may be multiple of these reasons. Try to pick the one that is most relevant. We ask you to do that here because there's no place in REDCap for us to know if the visit wasn't done for a particular reason, or if it was incomplete for some reason, where it was partially completed but not fully collected. And so we really want to know that information, and this is where we capture it here in the scheduling form. Okay. Again, there's the save button at the bottom, and we want to make sure that we are always saving that information anytime that you're changing data here on the form.